Hi, Wendy here from wendybottrell.com, and our topic today is 10 fitness tips for an aging population to live a good life. I found this quote the other day. Physical fitness is not only one of the most important keys to living for a healthy body, it's the basis of dynamic and creative intellectual activity. And that's by John F. Kennedy. So exercise is really important for overall health, vitality, and well-being. And if you've been following our blog or YouTube channel here for a while, you know how much we believe in the practice of regular fitness to live a good life. Today our topic, as I said, is 10 fitness tips for an aging population to live a good life. Moving well and regular exercise are important for all ages. However, for an aging population, it's important to feel good and to live independently. We've written posts in the past about how vital moving well is for a person's health, vitality, and to live that independent life. But we don't presently really live in a world where this is talked about very much. Living independently. Living how you want to live for your entire life. Getting and staying fit is one of the ways to do this. Being able to carry your own groceries, getting items out of the cupboards on your own, in your own home, going to the washroom on your own are some of the practices that will help you live an independent life. So be sure to reach out and let us know how we can help you, and share any ideas, comments, or questions below this post. So the 10 fitness tips. Exercise for memory fitness. The endorphins released by exercise helps your memory, mood, and your confidence. Endorphins are better for mood and memory than prescription drugs, and they're free. Better balance and coordination. Exercise helps to prevent disabling falls by keeping both your mind and your body healthy and active. Socialize. Seniors tend to become isolated when they no longer have a job to attend to or children to take care of. Exercising in a gym or at a group can help you get out and socialize, which also improves your outlook on life. So that's a huge benefit for sure. Exercise for the disabled. If you're in a wheelchair or confined one way or another, you can improve your cardiovascular or muscular strength by performing chair aerobics, stretching, and light weightlifting. Exercise to maintain or lose weight. Exercise can rev up your metabolism so that your body functions properly. Improve your sleep patterns. As people age, sleep often becomes a health issue. Exercise can help you fall asleep quickly and have you sleep better. I also heard Rob Wolf say once that if people only understood that exercise, sleep, we're talking about sleep on this point, just getting better sleep can change people's whole entire life. So it really is an important point, sleep. Mood and confidence booster. Exercise is a great endorphin booster, which in turn boosts your mood. Your self-confidence will automatically improve because you'll look and feel much better about yourself. Health and capabilities. Before embarking on any type of physical activity, obviously get a full bill of health from your healthcare provider. For seniors, it's especially necessary to get medical clearance if you have any pre-existing conditions. So talk to your primary caregiver, make sure that they approve, and then go ahead and get started. Set short-term goals. So if you are a senior who's been inactive for a long time, take it slow when you begin an exercise program. Going out all at once can have a crash and burn effect. And that'll make you want to quit and get back to an inactive life. We believe in, take it slow for long-term gains. And stay active any way you can. You may not be able to enjoy all types of exercise. Maybe you did in the past, or, sports you played, but find at least one that fits your need to stay active at any age. Get up and walk, or even exercise in your chair, but it really is important to move. Focus on the activities that are the most powerful, like getting into the practice of moving well each and every day, because it's so important to all health and fitness success. And remember, moving well really does matter for your best life. We do appreciate that there never seems to be enough hours in the day, but it is so important to make the conscious decision to practice moving well. And we believe that walking is one of the most accessible form of exercise on the planet. Taking care of your mind, body, and emotional needs will help you be able to live your best life. And maybe you didn't know, so check this out. Walking is the most popular physical activity in the world. Did you know that? And the health benefits of walking are many. For example, benefits the heart, can help lower blood pressure, boost the immune system, boosts energy, improves mood, and extends life, to name a few. What we know for sure is walking is the link to living a good and healthy and vibrant life. We believe walking inspires the mind, activates the body, and it nourishes the soul. And we have a free walking challenge. We'll put the link in the show notes. We invite you to sign up for that and take advantage of that free walking challenge. So we want to thank you for connecting here today. Share any ideas, comments, or questions below. Again, be sure to get in touch with us and let us know how we can help you. Please like and share this video with your friends and families if you found value here today. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you'll get notified when our new content comes out. I'm Wendy Bottrell. You can find out more about us at wendybottrell.com. Thanks. Bye for now.